Hey, what's up, you Polygon token holders and money makers? Welcome back to the channel. This video covers some of the major massive announcement that came out from Polygon today before a couple of hours. The first one is Polygon Nightfall. Testnet launch is right here today, and this is the news, December 16th right here. The second one in this video that I'm going to cover is the Sandbox Staking is coming to 0x Polygon. As you can see, it came out just before 5 hours. This is one of the massive news that I'll talk more in further detail. And the third one is Polygon Token Swap, which is your one-stop shop to swap the tokens internally within the Polygon Wallet. So we'll talk about all these three big news that are coming all the way starting late last night on December 15th up until today before a couple of hours. There is a ton to share about Polygon. Now at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, help support the channel, subscribe it, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out, because Polygon is going to have some of the time sensitive updates, and this channel I'll be covering all of them for you. Also, if you don't mind clicking the like button, that will be super helpful. If you click the like button, it'll help out the YouTube algorithm, and we can share this video with more and more people. This is merely my research and analysis. I put in a ton of effort, so your click on like and subscribe is really appreciated. Also, turn on the notification bell. As you can see right now, crypto is going a little bit down. Bitcoin was 49,500. Right now we are seeing at 47.6, so 47.5 almost. Ether is down 0.80%. Polygon is staying pretty flat at the moment, $2.10. But if you remember 3 or 4 days back, I talked about Polygon being a great price point, and it was $1.50. And if you think about $2.10 and $1.50, we are still significantly up, almost 40% return still at this point. So you want to consider Polygon for a long-term investment. I'm not a financial advisor, but you want to do your own due diligence as well. Polygon has been doing a massive move in terms of the volume as well. Take a look, 2.3 billion volume that we saw, the trading volume below a billion before just a couple of days. Polygon came up from 2 to 3 cents before a few months. Take a look 1 year. If I show you 1 year, you should be able to see that we were looking at 3 or 4 cents. We spiked up all the way to $2.48. We got back down 69 cents. At that point, I also talked about Polygon, and remember when we were at $1.50, $1.49 right here, we talked about Polygon, and within just a couple of days, take a look right here, we went up $2.28. Now let's talk about what Polygon brings us in terms of the cryptocurrency. It's Ethereum's Internet of Blockchain. It's a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-based compatible blockchain network. This is going to be very cost effective as well. The Polygon's Nightfall testnet launch is all set to move to Robson testnet on the Ethereum network, which is a low-cost provider, private Ethereum transaction. As you can see just right here, it's a ZK-proof protocol developed by Polygon and in collaboration with EY News. So this is one of the massive improvement. If you own Polygon, you should really look further in more detail as to what this means. Polygon Nightfall is one of a kind privacy-focused rollup that effectively combines the major concept of optimistic rollups with the zero knowledge, the ZK cryptographic community, which is commonly used ZK rollup, and thus creating scalable and private hybrid for two popular technologies. And this is massive improvement because they have a tie-up with one of the best, with EY. And the ZK-proof protocol, Polygon Nightfall, is launching on testnet to provide low-cost private Ethereum transaction. Then this particular Polygon and Ethereum scaling platform is onboarding more than in millions to Web3. They announced that the cooperation between the Global Professional Services Organization, EY, Ernst & Young, that Polygon Nightfall ZK-proof protocol will move to the testnet on Ethereum network, and this move to testnet comes following the internal testing, which is once again a big thing. And as you already know, this EY is one of the major player into the financial market. It's not just stopping there. There is some great additional news as well. As you can see, before this came today, December 16th, 70 million in Ether gas fees saved by Unstoppable Web by moving Polygon POS. So this is massive. Second news that I want to talk about is the Sandbox, which is once again a big news because it's going to be the staking for all of you staking lovers. Sand staking is coming to 0x Polygon. As you see, this came before 5 hours, so this is the latest news as well. And introducing this AMSAN Matic staking at the Sandbox, which is going to be once again the staking program for L2 for layer 2. For those who don't really know much about, let's take a look at Too Long Don't Wait. Sandbox is a starting deploy layer 2 ecosystem on Polygon, which is massive, and they'll be referring Sand as AMSAN in the ecosystem, but it will be identical. This staking is to ease the AMSAN on Polygon is only the first step. They have 300,000 AMSAN that will be injected into the pool by a weekly basis. 200,000 AMSANs will be added every week for the first 4 weeks as an incentive for the early adopters. So if you want to be one of the early adopter, you might want to start staking this, and Sand holders who will provide the liquidity to the staking pool will be eligible to share monthly allocation of AMSAN. And this is once again, this is happening today. Today is the 16th December, 16/12/2021. 5 p.m. UTC, with a buffer period where users can stake LP without any rewards yet. Now, tomorrow, AMSAN reward will be loaded on 17th of December, and the distribution will start. So AMSAN is the utility and governance token that is throughout the Sandbox metaverse, and metaverse is one of the big buzz at the moment right now in the market. Two things: metaverse and the gaming tokens are taking over the crypto market. I'm not 100% sure the usability about it, because it might be sometimes pump and dump, really hype based solution. I'm not a financial advisor, do your due diligence, but what I want to say is the staking option, especially for Polygon, will be available on a new layer. In order to maintain the robust ecosystem, they want to encourage the community to think about long-term vision instead of a small term or the short term, with the benefit of the Sandbox on Polygon. Locking the tokens will within the staking program support that vision and creates a layer of trust between all the members in the community, while offering the rewards to Sand holder who want to participate. So this is going to be massive. The third and the biggest massive news I want to share with you is Polygon Wallet token swap, which is one-stop shop, and this is super straightforward. I looked into it. They have a very neat and clean UI. Take a look right here. You can swap the token just with a matter of click. You can review the swap and you can just approve, and the token has been swapped like a charm. Now take a look how it works. Is multiple DEX to swap. So this is very similar to any other wallet that you have used, Trust Wallet, a Pancake Swap, or any other swap wallet. They represent the perfect solution for swapping your needs to assure the best rates as well. So rates is the key. In the past, we have seen that the rates was one of the big challenge when you go on Pancake Swap, so on and so forth, but this will be resolved with the Polygon token swap, Polygon Wallet. So basically all you do is select the token that you have balanced and the way you want to convert. In this example, ETH to Matic. As you see, you will be shown the price and how many tokens you will get for 1 ETH. From the drop down, you can also select, you can confirm, review the swap, and approve. Once you confirm, you should be able to see that in a matter of minutes as to how many tokens are converted and at what price. One thing I like about Polygon in general is their total circulating supply, which is only 7.08 billion Matic. So this is really important because I'll share more about the burn of Polygon tokens as well in my next video, but this is not really inflationary, at least at the moment. As you see, 7.08 billion. So whenever it comes to crypto, it is demand versus supply, and if the supply is less and more demand, that's how it gains the price. And we have seen that periodically how it happened. So in 2020, it was 2 to 3 cents. We went back all the way to $2.48. We got back down to 69 cents. Once again, got back up. Before a couple of days, we were at $1.60-70. Right now, we are at 210. Now, biggest thing is the supply, and we don't see huge volume usually. But take a look, the volume right now 30% down, of course, but 2.3 billion, which is a pretty significant volume if you think about Polygon just in general with the circulating supply. Having this major roll up at this Mir protocol, the groundbreaking ZK startup in a $400 million deal, that is also massive news that you want to think about, because this will add a ton of potential strategic value for Polygon, Matic token, and moving forward in general. So I just wanted to share this information with you. 3 massive announcements that can lead Polygon to newer levels, higher highs and higher highs in upcoming future. Write down in the comment section below what do you think the price will be Polygon in 1 month from now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.